Why add pineapple to pizza when you can turn it into this gorgeous looking and super tasty sheera? Let's make this melt in the mouth pineapple sheera. You can find the detailed recipe in the comment section.